Hi guys, welcome back on TechKit. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to stabilize video in Inshot. First of all, you can open the Inshot application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the video, and here you can now tap on new. You can just simply select the video here. I can select this video. After selecting the video, you can now tap on tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply adjust the timeline of the video, or you can adjust the timeline, or you can add the effect. Now tap on effect, or you can put the smooth effect, and it is a way you can stabilize video in Inshot, and there is no other way to stabilize video in Inshot. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.